Hi, I'm Lauren, and the subject that I will be covering deals with the discontinuation of fluoride in water supply due to the possible risk to cancer. As the proponent of this case, I will be explaining why it is important to discontinue adding this chemical to water in order to limit the chance of risk for community members. I will begin by explaining what fluorides are. Fluorides are compounds that combine the element fluorine with another substance, which is usually a type of metal. Fluoride was originally added to water to prevent cavities, but there is no strong link that has been identified among the U.S. adding fluoride to water comparatively to other countries who do not. Citizens are consuming unnecessary chemicals that do not benefit the human body. Once the fluoride from the water enters the body, it absorbs into the blood. In the blood, it finds areas high in calcium, which would be your teeth and bones. The reason fluoride became an area of discussion is due to the concern of osteosarcoma. Fluoride tends to collect in parts of bones in the body. These areas are known as growth plates, which is coincidentally where osteosarcoma typically develops. The theory that has raised attention was that fluoride may cause the cells in the growth plate to grow faster, which could later become cancerous. According to Douglas, Maine in 2015, about 2/3 of the U.S. population has fluoridated public water, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Of those served by community water systems, the percentage climbs to 74.6%. Though we may think the water is coming from faucets in our own homes is pure water, there is a good chance there is an addition to fluoride in it. A large portion of the United States is consuming fluoride unknowingly, which can cause health problems. There are many studies that have taken place to explore the correlation between cancer and fluoride in drinking water. One study conducted in 2006 by the Harvard School of Public Health found that exposure to higher levels of fluoride in drinking water was linked to a higher risk of osteosarcoma in boys but not in girls. Though many studies have been conducted on humans, it is important to study animals as well, and typically for science experiments, rats are the chosen species. Prior to the Harvard study, a 1990 study by the National Toxicology Program, which was part of the National Institute of Environmental Sciences, attempted a study using rats as the subjects. This study showed an increased number of osteosarcomas, or brain tumors, in male rats given water high in fluoride for 2 years. Only a couple studies throughout the years have led to a strong correlation between cancer and fluoride, but there have been some present. Therefore, it is in the best interest of communities to discontinue adding fluoride to their municipal water supply. Scientists continue to question this connection and find new ways to experiment within it. What we do know is there is no doubt that fluoride is present in water, and this can play an impact in our bones as well as teeth.